Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the fee structure and the number of seats available for other state candidates in Karnataka. So KEA, that is Karnataka Examinations Authority, has released the notification for the fee structure for the year 2020-21, and the fee structure has increased compared to last year. So we will look at what is the current fee structure, which are the colleges you can opt, and which are the colleges you have to be careful when you are opting in the choice selection. So that is what I am going to highlight. So if you are interested in Karnataka, make sure that you watch until the end of the video, because I don't want you to miss some of the important points that might be very, very useful while you are doing the choice selection for colleges. So right now I'm in the fee structure page. You can see that there are four kinds of fee structure. G means government fees, which is not applicable for other state candidates. P, private fees. This is what is applicable mainly to most of the other state candidates. NRI fees, which is very clear, is for non-resident Indians. Other fees. Again, other fees is applicable to non-Karnataka candidates, but I want you to be very, very careful when you are choosing other category. So as a other state candidate, you can choose either the private seats or open category, NRI if you are qualified, and others. Generally, most of you will be interested in the private fees and private seats. I will tell you why. So generally the first few colleges are government colleges, so you don't see the private fee structure. So as we come down, you can see that BGS Global Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, you can see the fee structure. The fee structure is 9,94,406. So it's about 10 lakh rupees is the fee for other state candidates. If you are applying under the private category, you will be paying 10 lakh rupees per year. If you are applying under NRI category, it varies from college to college. It's 45 lakhs for BGS Global Institute. And if you look at the other fee structure, the other fee structure is also equivalent to the NRI fees. For NRI category, you should be an NRI or you should be sponsored. Whereas for other category, you can be an Indian. Only thing, you are paying a higher fee structure. So there might be people who say that, oh, I don't mind paying a higher fees. Then you can look at this. If your score is lower and you don't mind paying higher, then you can look at the other fee structure category, because it's slightly easier other category rather than the private category. The private category is extremely competitive. The private category, or sometimes it is known as open category or OPN. Okay, OPN, that's what normally it will be seen. Now you can see most of the colleges, the fee structure is the same. It is about 9,94,000. But you look at the other fee category, you have to be very, very careful if you are selecting this, because every college will have a different fee structure. You can see 45 lakhs, 36 lakhs. Some college have 32 lakhs. Some college has 60 lakhs. Okay. Saptagiri Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, has 60 lakhs as yearly fees for other category. So be careful when you are selecting other category. When you are selecting open category, generally all the colleges will be the same, except again, there are some exceptions. I will highlight something. For example, St. John's Medical College, Bangalore, the fee structure is only 6,28,670 per year. While most of the colleges charge around 10 lakhs, St. John's Bangalore charges only about 6,30,000. Now let's look at further. Now this is where you should be careful. These four colleges, okay? These four colleges, you need to be careful even if you are applying under the private category. Why? These four colleges typically comes under the private universities. I'm not sure about Chandrama, but the other three, I'm sure they are private universities. So the fee structure is different. For example, you look at Adichun Chanagiri Institute of Medical Sciences, Mandya, the fee structure for private category is 18.15 lakhs. If you look at Dr. Chandrama Dayananda Sagar Institute, the fee structure is 20.15 lakhs. Kaja Bande Nawaz Institute, the fee structure is 16.3 lakhs per year. SDM College, Dharwad, the fee structure is 17.45 lakhs per year. So if you are a candidate from other state, now you have three different categories in terms of fee structure. The private colleges and private fees, that is around 10 lakhs. The next category, the private universities, that is the four colleges just now I have highlighted, they are all the fee structure varies somewhere between 16 lakhs to 20 lakhs, almost like 1.5 to 2 times as the other private colleges. So be careful when you are selecting this. These four colleges typically should be the last choice if fee is a concern for you. If fee is not a concern, then it's a different choice for you. Then others, I would recommend not to select others unless you are able to afford the fee structure, because the fee structure is in excess of 30 lakhs per year. So select accordingly. Okay, so these are the fee structure that you need to take note. These are the dental colleges. I don't want to highlight the dental colleges. So the fee structure, be careful when you are selecting the choices. This has to be in your mind. Even within the open category, there are two different categories of colleges. Some charge 10 lakhs, some are close to 20 lakhs. So be careful selecting, right? Now let us look at the number of seats available. What are the number of seats available for other state candidates? Now, if you are an other state candidate, look at the seat availability. Okay, I will provide a link to this document in the description below. You have to look at this category called OPN. OPN is the private category or open category. You look under this column. These are the seats that are available to other state candidates. We can see that it's quite substantial. There are about 643 seats available for other state candidates under private colleges. Some of the states' total seats also may not be that. So Karnataka has a lot of seats. Particularly, Karnataka is one of the states that offer a lot of seats to outside candidates. So 643 seats are available. Now, all these, again, you have to be careful. Look at the fee structure. What else is available for other state candidates? This RC2, RC3, RC4, RC5, RC6, RC7, RC8. What are these? These are Roman Catholic Christians. These comes under the St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. So St. John's Medical College, 150 seats. Out of 150 seats, these are the seats available for other state candidates. Look at your particular category. Okay, each category will represent different people. So you have to be careful. So if you are Roman Catholic and if you don't come under any special category, then probably you will be looking at RC8. If you are an open candidate, you are not a Christian, you are not a Roman Catholic, and you don't belong to Karnataka, then you will be looking at these 10 seats. These 10 seats you can apply in St. John's. Okay. Now these are the seats that are available for other state candidates. 643 plus about 130 seats here, which are mainly for the Christian, Roman Catholic Christians. Now, what else is available for other state candidates? There are seats available under Christian minority. Now, what is MC Christian minority? You can see here, 54 seats are available. What is this? This is for Father Muller Institute of Medical Sciences, which is located in Mangalore. Now, who can apply to this? Any Christian minority candidate can apply. Should I be a Karnataka resident? Not necessarily. Other state candidates can also apply. How do I say? Let's look at the brochure. You look at the brochure here, eligibility for religious minority. So religious minority, that is Christian of Karnataka candidates and non-Karnataka. Non-Karnataka also can apply. Similarly, religious minority Muslim of Karnataka and non-Karnataka. However, priority will be given to Karnataka domiciled religious minority candidates who have studied in Karnataka for a period of 10 years from first standard to qualifying exam. So the priority is given to Karnataka religious candidates, but in case if there are not enough candidates, then other state candidates will be considered. So it's not a guarantee that you will get a seat if you are another state candidate, but you can give it a try. Now, what are the seats? Father Muller has 54 seats. This is mainly for Christian candidates. And if you are a Muslim candidate, there are seats under AAMC Vijaypur, which is Al Amin Medical College Vijaypur has 54 seats. And then we have 54 seats under Kanachur Institute in Mangalore. Okay, so 54 plus 54, 108 seats are available for Muslim minority. 54 seats are available for Christian minority. For these, other state candidates can also apply. So around 800 plus seats, other state candidates, there is a possibility to apply. There are other minority seats which are like linguistic minority. There are linguistic minority like Kodava, Tamil, Telugu, Tulu. For these, other state candidates cannot apply. So if you look at the linguistic minority, it is applicable only for domicile candidates. So linguistic minority, other candidates cannot apply, but religious minority, other state candidates can apply. Now I have shown you the number of seats for private category. I will also show you the number of seats for other category. Now this is the other category. If somebody can afford a higher fees, then you can look at the others category. Generally about 5% of the seats in each college is offered under others category. Now how many seats are available? Again, there is a substantial number. There is 196 seats are available under others category. So look at the other categories fees, and then even within the college, it varies somewhere from 30 lakhs to 60 lakhs. Then choose wisely. So this is the information I wanted to share with you about Karnataka. If you have any doubts, please leave a comment. I will try to get back to you. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.